Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, my name is Leigh and I'm here to show you my easy peasy brow tutorial. Now, as you can see, my brows have been plucked and shaped to my perfection, the way that I like them, and I'm going to show you how I achieve my natural brow look. I have seen eyebrows. Okay. The eyebrows that I like aren't necessarily the eyebrows that other people like. I particularly do not like eyebrows that are overly drawn, too dark, just don't fit my face. I like for my eyebrows to blend in, look natural. So if you're looking for an everyday natural brow routine to go to, I'm your girl. So, without wasting any more time, let's just hop on into the video, okay? Okay. So, the first thing you gotta do is get you a spoolie. There could be one on any end of the brow pin that you use. I don't know what kind of brow, tool or product you like to use, but this is just elf pencil, pen, whatever you want to call it. And it has the, if you can see it, I don't know, and this is not too dark for me. It's like dark brown but not black, because my eyebrows, I like for them to look natural and not too dark, so I like to color them in. So first thing I like to do with that is, first thing you need to do is, first things first, you need to comb your brows up. I'm looking down because this is my little trusty dusty mirror. Okay, first you need to comb the hairs up on your brows. Make sure they're not wild and flying away. If I look like I'm sweating, it's because it's hot in here. Jeez Louise, the heat could kill you. But it's cold outside, so you gotta have it on. But just comb them out. Then I like to go in, and I usually start, I use several different brow things, but I'm just going to show you the easy way today. No fuss. Take whatever why I can't speak. Anyhow, take any brow product that you're going to use and start at the bottom and carve out the line of your brow shape, and you want to follow the arch of your natural brow so that you don't look crazy and overdraw it. So here you go.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Come and say something, I wanna hear your voice. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are right on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are right on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are right on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are right on me. Eyes are right on me.
And just blend it in. And I was kind of lucky because I was born with, somewhat already natural brows. I don't really have to do much to them. I didn't have to manipulate them. I didn't have to manipulate them very much in order to achieve this brow anyway, because it's already been this way naturally. And I don't have to overpluck them. So, yeah, didn't have to do much. Let's do this.
eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me, all the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me, all the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me, all the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me, all the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me, all the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me, all the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me, all the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me, eyes are all on me.
Sorry, y'all. I like to hum when I do this. I don't know why. Something soothing about it. Okay. Put that down for a second. Alright, let's move on. Are you having a good day today? Me too. Alright. Now the next thing we're going to do is, I like to use brow mascara, you know, some kind of something to keep my brows from flying away. So this is what I usually grab brow mascara or brow gel, or, you know, sometimes I even use this brow pomade from Black and Radiance. It just depends on what I'm feeling this day, but I didn't use this because I wanted to show you the easy way. You know, something you can do quick and not really have to worry about it and just go on about your business. So when you get done, just take this, set your eyebrows. Next step is to grab you some concealer that is close to your skin tone, and to go ahead and get you a brush. In this case, it can be a flat brush, a flat angled brush like this for, you know, your mascara, whatever. I like using flat brushes like this. It's angled and you can get in there and really sculpt out your eyebrows. So, and you want to get you some concealer that matches your skin tone to fill that in. So I have this from Ruby Kisses, and I think I got this at the beauty supply store, you know, when you buy your hair and stuff at. It's 3D Face Creator, full coverage, semi-matte finish. It works for me. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to carve out my lines for where I want. Just clean up my brows, make them stand out more. So I'm going to start here and go just like that, all the way down. And do the same for the top. other eye. Okay, so all you're gonna do after that is just blend it in. Now, in my case, I like to use a beauty. Lord, why I can't talk today? I got the blah. I okay. I like to use a beauty blender. Make sure it's damp now. Only way you're gonna be able to blend out that foundation, because this is a semi-matte foundation, so you gotta work quickly. Gotta work quickly with this foundation anyway. Just blend it out. I'm just gonna do one more thing, because I like to make sure that my eyebrows is 100% kept, and sometimes I be messing them up when I be trying to make sure the hairs is 100% straight. So I'll go back in and just make sure my hairs are straight. Ta-da! There you go. Quick and easy brow routine. Didn't take much time. You only use 3 products. Whatever products you need. You need your brush to apply your concealer. You need your spoolie. You can have a separate spoolie if that's what you prefer. And a brow pencil in your color. Not too dark, not too light. Maybe a color like this one, which is dark brown. I usually choose dark brown. So that's all you really need to complete finished eyebrow look. And don't forget your brow mascara. So that's it. That's all you need. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to get out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So, I guess I'll see you guys next time.